Hello everybody. In this video lesson, we will learn how to use the English preposition about. We will look at each way that we can use the preposition about and look at some example sentences. First, we can use about to show that a number, quantity, or time could be a little more or a little less than the number we use. We use this to give an estimated time, number, or quantity. Some synonyms are around and approximately. And actually, when we use about this way, it is considered an adverb, not a preposition. Here are some examples. The movie will start about 8 p.m. The car costs about $15,000. There are about 15 other students in my class. Second, about can mean nearly or very close to. We use it to show that we almost do an action. We use the sentence pattern be verb plus about plus infinitive or be verb plus about plus adjective. For example, she was about to cry. We were about to leave when he arrived. I am about ready. Third, we use about to show the topic of something. We can use this after an action verb or a be verb. For example, this book is about World War II. The movie is about a man and a woman who fall in love but can't be together. We talked about how to solve the problem. I listened to a lecture about being financially responsible. I think about my hometown a lot. Fourth, about can mean in many directions or here and there. When used this way, about usually comes after movement verbs. For example, the children were running about the playground. The fish swim about in the tank. The soccer player was hurt and rolling about on the ground. Last, we can use about to show that things are in no particular order. They are in an unorganized or disordered state. For example, the books were lying about the room, so I organized them on the bookshelf. There are clothes lying about her bedroom floor. Use TalkEnglish.com to study all areas of English for free. Go to Schedule.com for the best self-study English program that has lessons for all areas of English and even has conversation simulation lessons that let you practice speaking English on your own.